Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to remove the watermark from an AI-generated image using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So I am in the relatively new photo editing page of DaVinci Resolve, and I've added a couple of AI-generated images. I'm just going to go ahead and drag these down here into the photo album. We'll start with this one. You can see that there's a watermark right here. What I'm going to do is, with that selected, go to the Fusion page, and then with the image selected, I will go ahead and add a paint node. Under the inspector panel, I'm going to switch this, which is currently on color, to clone. And then over here, I'm going to switch this from multi-stroke to stroke. All right. Now, let me go ahead and make this a single. And I'm just going to zoom in on this a little bit. And you can see that this watermark happens to be sitting right under the ruffles of this table. So if I were to just clone this area over to here, it would look really good. So I'm going to place my cursor here, and while holding the Alt key down, I will click the mouse this way. That will leave that X sitting right there. And now when I paint this, you can see how the X moves, and that's basically where it's cloning from. And you can see that I have basically painted over that watermark. So now if I pull this back out to fit, you can see it's pretty much gone. It looks very good. Nobody's going to notice that from there. Let's go back to the photo editing and let's select this one. You can see that there's a watermark here. Go to the Fusion page again. And with that selected, I will set this up the same. Paint node first. Then I will switch this to clone, and I will switch this to stroke. And I will go ahead and move in on this a little bit. And again, I'm going to hold my Alt key down, and then I'm going to select where I want to clone from. Since this line comes through here, I think using this probably will work pretty well. So I will just hit Alt and click there. And now I'll just sort of paint this. And that actually looks pretty good. And honestly, I think that would be very difficult to tell that that was there before. And so let me just back out of here. And yeah, I'm very happy with that. Nobody will ever notice that that is there. And that's how you remove the watermark from an AI-generated image using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Listen, if you got some value out of this video, do me a favor and drop a like and subscribe as well so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.